Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a put option on Charles Schwab. First, log into your Charles Schwab account securely. Once logged in, locate the Trade tab, typically found at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Options to access the dedicated options trading platform. This is your gateway to exploring and executing put option trades, allowing you to begin the process of setting up your desired investment. Next, you will need to identify the underlying asset. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you are interested in, for example, Apple for Apple. Crucially, select Put as your option type, indicating your expectation that the stock's price will fall. The platform will then display the option chain, presenting various strike prices and expiration dates for you to consider. This step is vital for narrowing down your choices. Now, define the specific parameters of your put option. First, select your desired strike price, which is the price you believe the stock will fall below. Then, choose an expiration date. This is when the option contract will cease to exist. Finally, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Remember, one option contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Carefully consider these choices. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all the details of your order. Double-check the ticker symbol, the selected strike price, the expiration date, and the number of contracts. Pay close attention to the premium you will pay and the total cost of the trade. Once you are confident that all information is correct and aligns with your trading strategy, proceed to place your order. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated a put option purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.